Identical charges are combined, each of radius charges each of radius smaller are combined to form big drop of radius capital R. Find its potential. So this is in identical drops. In identical drops, in drops, here charge of this each drop is what is it? Q, and combined to form a big drop. This is charge is Q, big drop charge capital Q of radius is capital R. Then find its potential. Asking question. Then this is combined, then it will be forming a big drop of radius capital R, charge is Q. Then small drops and small drops. This is big drop. Okay. In identical droplets, each of charge is Q and radius is what is it? R, combined to form a big drop. Then find its potential. Then potential of the small droplet is equal to what is it? Potential of small drop. That is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is potential of this what is it? Small drop. Then potential of this big drop it is equal to big drop, that is V big, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q divided by R. This is big droplet radius, big droplet charge. Then here volume of this big drop it is equal to the n times of this volume of these small droplets, that is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube is equal to n into 4 by 3 pi into R cube. Each drop is in the spherical form, so that's why we are taking volume of the sphere. Then 4 by 3 pi get cancelled, R cube it is equal to n into R power of 3, R is equal to n to the power of 1 by 3 into R. Apply power 1 by 3 on both sides, then you will get final equation. And charge of this what is that? Big droplet it is equal to 2. Then charge of big drop, that is Q is equal to 2 n times of charge of what is it? N charges of droplets charge, that is Q is equal to n into Q. This is equation what is it? 1, equation 2, equation what is it? 3, equation 4. Then these two values, equations what is it? 3 and 4, substitute in this what is it? Equation 2. Then final relation, volume of this or potential of this big droplet it is equal to 1 by 3 what is it? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into capital Q is nothing but n into Q divided by R is nothing but n to the power of 1 by 3 into R. Therefore volume of this of it is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into the power of q by r into n to the power of 1 minus 1 by 3. Here 1 minus of 1 by 3 we can written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r into n to the power of 2 by 3. So final relation, potential of this big droplet is equal to n to the power of 2 by 3 times of this potential of what is it, small droplets. This is relation. Next, in identical charges, each of charge is q are arranged on this x-axis. At distance, what is it? 1 meter. Next 2 meters. Next 3 meters. 4 meters. And so on. This is charge q, charge q, charge q. So find the potential at origin. This is O, origin. Then find the potential at this origin. Potential nothing but the work done to bring the charge from here to this point, and that is called as V1. The work done to bring the second charge from here to origin, that is V2. Next, work done to bring the charge from here to this point, that is V3. Net potential at this is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. P net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by distance of this point is 1. Next, potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by 2. Next, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught of q by 4 and so on. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught take common, then 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, actually it is in the form of GP, geometrical progression order. The actual formula is infinity becomes, that is a by 1 minus r. Then a is by 1 minus of r. A is equal to the first term, that is equal to 1. R is nothing but common ratio, that is equal to, what is that, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 1, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. Like this way you get same result. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. That is, what is that? 2. Potential is equal to V is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 2 by 1. 2 to get cancelled. Q by 2 pi epsilon naught. This is potential. So this is the problem for like charges. For like charges. For example, unlike charges are keeping at same distance. For unlike charges here. So for example, this is, what is it, plus q, next minus q, then plus q and minus q, keeping a distance from origin, that is 1 meter. Next 2 meters, next 4 meters and so on. Then potential at this point, here V1, this is work done to bring the charge from here to this point, V2 and V3, so on. Then net potential V net is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. Therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q take outside, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 and so on. epsilon naught into, so from same relation, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2, therefore that is 2 plus 1 3, q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 3 by 2, that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 by 3, 2 to get cancelled, then 2 3 just 6, q by 6 pi epsilon naught. This is net potential at this origin O.